What's up everybody, welcome to a daily Bitcoin update. Bitcoin is going perfectly based on our scenario that I explained in the previous analysis, and after a perfect support confirmation, we are heading perfectly to this first important resistance area. So yeah, in soon time, Bitcoin will be heading another critical moment. So if you are interested about the exact trading setups that I'm currently watching here, because you, for example, miss out on this previous support confirmation or on this previous fake out, don't worry, in this video I will show you another setups that you can take on Bitcoin. So if you are interested in that, definitely watch this video till the end. But before that, I would like to invite you to my Discord trading group, where I am sharing everyday crypto analysis on Bitcoin and other altcoins that I'm currently watching. So if you want to copy my exact trades, or if you want to just follow my analysis, you can join to this group, and link to join is in the description or in the comments. Also, I want to say that today is one of the last days that you can use a 20% discount on my VIP trading group membership, where I am sharing all of my trades. So I'm sharing there my exact entries, exact stop loss, exact take profit targets, etc. There is also chat with me and other VIP members, and there is also a copy trading function, which means that you can automatically copy my trades with absolutely zero work. So if you are interested in more information, you can find it on my public Discord group, and link to join is in the description or in the comments. Let's start today's analysis on a 4-hour chart. As I said, after a perfect support confirmation here, we are probably gonna retest this resistance area, which is this bearish order block, and this bearish order block is between levels 67k260 and 66k340. So this will be the first important resistance after a perfect support confirmation. Actually, we have here, of course, two scenarios how we can trade this. Of course, right now, opening a long position is, in my opinion, not that great idea, because based on this resistance, it's not giving us a good risk reward ratio. So first opportunity to open here some long position will be in case of a breakout and then a support confirmation. The exact trade can then look, for example, like this. So stop loss in this case you need to place just under this bearish order block, because if there will be breakdown again and then a resistance confirmation, then the price is probably going down, so you don't want to hold your losing position longer than it's necessary. And your last take profit target you can place, for example, either under this bearish order block, which is between level 72k200 and 71k400, or above this order block, because if we are gonna, let's say, test the liquidity in this, there is pretty high probability that we will just swipe the liquidity above, and then the price will reverse. And that's actually the main reason why I am always waiting for support confirmations, because yeah, we can simply avoid fake outs pretty well. So this potential long scenario is having risk reward ratio like 4.2. It's also good to take some of the profits like under this bearish order block, so let's say somewhere in this area, because this will be still like an important resistance, and there is some probability that the market will do simply something, for example, like this. So yeah, take some profits here, and then, for example, move your stop loss to profit, so you can't turn your profitable position into a loss. But yeah, if you, for example, forgot or like didn't catch like this previous support confirmation, or like this previous fake out on Bitcoin or on other altcoins, because me personally, I actually didn't trade this move on Bitcoin, I traded on like multiple altcoins that gave us, let's say, better profits than Bitcoin itself, because yeah, during the last dump, Bitcoin was down around like 20-23% of the net market, but altcoins were actually down like 50, 60, 70%. So the potential risk reward ratio on them is much better. But we can't forget on the fact that Bitcoin is moving the whole market. That means that if Bitcoin is gonna do like this big move, altcoins are gonna go probably also up, and they will do bigger moves. So yeah, in my opinion, it's simply worth it trading altcoins more than Bitcoin. If we take a look on a higher time frame, this is looking perfectly like this, for example, previous setup, because we are also forming here like a sideways channel. Then there was a fake out in which we took all the liquidity like under all of these important lows, and then there was like a crazy pump up. And you can see that here we were also forming here a sideways channel. Then there was like a liquidity grab under all of these important lows, which we used for opening long positions. And right now we are, let's say, heading back up. So in my opinion, there is actually pretty high probability probability. Of course, we are traders, we always counting only with probability. There is nothing like 100% success guarantee, but in my opinion, there is actually pretty high probability that this was actually a bottom of this correction, and right now we are gonna break the current all-time high in the let's say upcoming days or weeks, and we are gonna reach a new prices, and my target is something between 85 to 82k dollars for Bitcoin, which is from, let's say, this point a potential move around like 26 to 30%. Of course, you might maybe having questions if right now there is like a good opportunity for some long position for, let's say, a long time, but like right now, if we take a look on that potential risk to reward, you need to place in the long time perspective, you need to place the stop loss under its previous low, because there is still some probability that we will, for example, retest this previous low. So we are placing the low like under this support is, in my opinion, actually not that good. And if you will take just one take profit target, which I'm not recommending, the risk reward ratio right now is gonna be like 1.8, which is actually not that great. So yeah, opening right now, let's say a long-term long position is, in my opinion, not that great, but you can take advantage of this move on multiple altcoins that are still undervalued. So yeah, if you want to know about all the altcoins that I'm currently watching, definitely don't forget to join my public Discord group, and link to join is in the description or in the comments. And let's now take a look on a 30-minute chart. From the last video, we formed here a new bullish order block, which is between level 63k 300 and 62k 820. So this can be potentially a good area to open a long position, of course, some scalp long position. So if we are gonna test this area, we will take the liquidity like under these important lows, and if there will be a support confirmation or like a fake out and then a support confirmation, this can actually be a decent opportunity for a long trade. Stop loss in this case, you need to place either under this bullish order block, so the potential stop loss is around like 1% of a net market, or under the low that we will create during the fake out. Of course, it depends on the low that we will create here. I think you all understand. And the last take profit target you can place under is bearish order block, which is between level 71k 300 and 70k 750, which will give you potential risk to reward like around 8, or if we will take the more risky stop loss, it will be risk reward ratio around 12. So even if you will take multiple take profit targets, because this is, in my opinion, really important in a scalp trade, so some of the profits you will, for example, take somewhere around here, then for example here, and then you will save something to the last take profit target, the risk reward ratio will be still around 8-9, something like that, which is, in my opinion, really good. So yeah, if you are looking for some scalp trade on a Bitcoin, definitely watch this potential trading scenario and this really good bullish order block. Okay guys, this will be all from me for today, and if you, for example, like these analysis and you want to know about them as soon as possible, definitely don't forget to join my Discord training group, because I'm sharing their analysis every single day, and yeah, link to join, as I said, is in the description or in the comments. But yeah, this will be all from me for today. Thanks again for watching this video till the end. I will be really happy if you hit that like and subscribe button, because it will really help this channel with growing, and I will see you in the next video. See ya.